What's up, guys? I know it's been a while since I made a video, but I got my 24 Bronco in today, and I'm going to be swapping out these really ugly white Bronco letters for some black ones I picked up at Raptor Racing. I just think it'll look a lot nicer, so follow me while we do that. I've never taken this grill off before. I did YouTube it. It doesn't look too hard, so we'll get her done and change the look of this Bronco a little bit. Don't mind the floor. I just washed the Bronco and the Mustang. Got the Mustang ready for Mustang Week. You'll see videos of that coming up after next week when we're down in South Carolina for that. As for the Bronco here, you take out these clips all the way along, and then this pops off, and then there's some 10mm bolts behind the grill, and then it should just pop off, and then we'll pop out the letters and pop in the new black ones, which I've got sitting over here. As I said, they came from Raptor Racing, so these black ones are going to go on. They came from these guys right here, which are a Canadian company. So let's see how it looks. Let me just get this grill off. I'm not going to film it because I don't want to bore you with that stuff, but bear with me. As you can see, the grill is off. The rad shroud's up here, which was the plastic clips took out, and then there was 10mm bolts all the way across here. Then the grill just pops out from the top and comes right out the bottom, nice and easy. I got the grill over here. Again, don't mind my mess. My kids been playing in here. So now we're going to flip this grill over and pop out the white Bronco letters and install the black ones. What you got to do is get a drill and drill out these plastic pieces, which is the backing of the other letters. As you can see, I haven't pulled these ones out yet. So the letters, let me see, Colin, have these push pins through, and they get put all the way through, and then they're melted down. So you just got to melt down, or drill out, sorry, just the heads of it. So then the letters will all pop out. There we go. As you can see, all the letters are out. So now we're just going to clean this all up and install the new letters. Looks kind of funny without the grill on it. Doesn't even look like a Bronco anymore. Right, buddy? The letters are in. Looks already way better. Does come with two-way tape attached to them, so they stick there while you're putting them in. However, there is also clips you put on the back side just to help secure them there. So we're going to flip the grill over, install them, put the grill back on the Bronco. So now we've got the clips all on, as you can see. So now we're going to put it back on the Bronco. Well, there it is, guys. Grill's back together. The Bronco letters are in. Now you can get these in other colors. I chose black just to completely hide it. I didn't want to get rid of it altogether, but I want to just blend it in. And I really think that this color really worked well for my Bronco. They do have other colors. They've got green, red, blue. They even have the Velocity blue that I do have on my Bronco. I could have gotten that, and I almost did, but I decided to go with the black instead because for me, I think it looks better. But check out Raptor Racing. They're out of, I believe it's Mississauga. They are an Ontario company, and they'll hook you up. I will leave a link for their website in the comments, because you know I'm an idiot and I don't know how to talk. They also have Mustang stuff. They've got a whole bunch of stuff. Check their website out. No, they're not a paid sponsor. I just like their product, and they get it to you quick, and it's reasonable pricing, and they are a Canadian company, and actually they're only an hour and a half from where I am right now. So again, there's the Bronco. It's done. And honestly, if I had to film this whole thing, it took a total of maybe 15 minutes to do the job, and I've never done this before, so it's really not hard. So you could do this yourself. Just need a push pin and you're done. Thanks. Subscribe, like, comment. Have a good one.